our first shot at looking at Lab 10, the Move instruction. Right now I'm in remote program using the emulator, and you can see we're turning. I'm going to go ahead and change it to the run mode. Yep, we're going to go to run. So now we're live. This is what you'll see on the labs too, with the PLCs in the class. This is running on 3 different pieces of software. You're going to see the RS Links Classic, which you're used to, and it's the light version that you can use on your PC at home. These are all free downloads from ab.com, and we talked about that, and I'll do another video that shows that. So I'm using this emulate to emulate the PLC. So now it acts like we have a PLC hooked up, a Micrologix 1100, and we can see that on our comms. So we'll look at our system comms, and you see this. This is actually an emulated program, or emulated PLC, meaning it's virtual, a virtual PLC. Acts just like the Micrologix 1100. And it runs through the MS or the RS Links just like usual. So now let's go ahead and look at the program that we've written. Here you'll see the familiar start-stop circuit that we use. So when this bit is high, if we toggle this bit on, it'll energize B3, the internal bit B300, which latches up B300, which starts our first timer. Here's the B300. We'll start the timer T45, and it'll go for the preset 4/10 of a second. It'll run. It'll get done, which energizes the done bit here, which starts this timer, which drops this one, drops T45 out. It will go for a duration of 1 second, looks like, or 1/10 of a second. It'll run for that period of time, and when it is done, it will drop out. Oh, excuse me, it will drop out drop out, and T4 or 45 will start back up. And T45 done bit also turns on and off this output. Now the move is what we're doing new here. So that's the stuff from before. Now we'll go to a move. I got 3 different moves here. So input 05 will allow us to move source from N70 to the destination of T47 preset. T47 is this preset. So it will change it from 100, which is what it starts with, to 50. If I press or energize or toggle I06 on, it will change it to 100. If I toggle I03, it'll toggle it to 75. So what we're doing is we're going to change the speed at which the light blinks. So let's go ahead and start it by toggling, and what you'll do is you'll click on this and then right click it, come up with the options, come down to toggle bit. We'll toggle it on. Energizes, closes up like we said. This drops it out, and it makes this flash. I've created a second ladder here, and then we get to actually see it energize just the light. This would be like looking at the PLC lights on the computer, or on the PLC, the indicator lights. And you can put them all here. So when we go to do the sequencer, we'll set this up with another ladder with all 6 of the outputs that the Micrologix has, and then we'll step through them individually. We'll go back to the main ladder and see it actually changing the speed. Now what we'll do is we're going to change it, the speed by which it blinks. So we're going to change it to half speed. We're going to toggle this bit on, and now it blinks faster. And we'll toggle this bit back off. When you're toggling these, you have to toggle it on and off. See, I still have I08 on, so I'll toggle it off. But it stays latched up because we're latched through our B3. This shows us the standard start-stop again. Shows us series. These 2 switches are in series. These 2 are in parallel, and this is the NOT logic. So now we're going on a clip, and you can see that this value on the preset changes according to which one we're setting. So we'll change it back. Now notice that it went back to 100. We'll toggle this one off, and we'll toggle this one on. and now the value changed again. That is the basic move instruction. Now where they're grabbing this, or the source is N70, N71, and N72. That is stored and changed here. So we'll go here and we'll see it, 50, 100, 75. But say we want to change it. I'm not sure they'll let us change. Let's try it. Let's change it to 12. So now we can change the values even when it's running. Change that one to 50. And we'll change that one to 25. Okay. We'll close that. Now the preset's 25, 25, 25. So let's see what happens when we turn this bit off. Turn that one off and turn this one on. Toggle bit. Now, see how much faster it blinks? And that was just going through there and changing those bit values. And then we have a 50 and a 25. That is the move instruction.